What could be a headache of a home renovation is now a simple project that you build in your garage or outdoors and hang on the wall. Hi, my name is Anna White. In this video, I'm going to show you how I built this. Measure your space. If in a nook, you'll want to make the panel about a 1/4 inch smaller so it easily is placed. I'm using a 1x6 for the top of the board and batten, and then 1x3s that are going to be the verticals. I used a pocket hole jig on the 3/4 inch setting to drill pocket holes and then attached with 1 1/4 inch pocket hole screws. I did carefully measure out where all the 1x3s are placed. Then I cut 1/4 inch plywood to fit on the back and nailed and glued it to the back. If your panel is bigger than a 4x8 sheet of plywood, you'll need to splice plywood pieces behind the 1x3s. From there, I sanded and then primed and painted. I used a brush and roll method. I also went ahead and installed the hooks. This is all so much easier to do with the panel laying flat on sawhorses. I secured the panel to the wall with 2-inch wood screws. Touch-up paint hides the screws but still makes them removable. What a difference this project made! It completely transformed this entryway without a huge renovation.